Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 19, 2016 NEET physics paper. Students, let us solve question number 19. A small signal voltage Vt equals to V0 sin omega t is applied across an ideal capacitor. This is a capacitor and a alternating voltage Vt is equal to V0 sin omega t is applied across this capacitor of capacitance C. Now, options are: current leads voltage by 180, current lags voltage by 90. Over a full cycle, the capacitor doesn't consume any energy from the voltage source. This is correct. Current I is in phase with voltage Vt. So here the question is that the average power consumed P average in a cycle of AC input, the power is IRMS, VRMS and cos of phi. This is the formula for average power consumed. And in case of a pure capacitive or inductive circuit, this phi is 90. And cos phi is 0. So average power consumed in any capacitive, purely capacitive circuit or purely inductive circuit is 0. Average power consumed is 0. So over a full cycle, the capacitor doesn't consume any energy. That is correct. What about this current leads voltage by 180? Is not current leads voltage by 180. It is not correct. Current lags voltage by 90. This is not correct. Current is in phase with voltage. This is not correct. So the only correct answer is this one. And in case of AC, if you want to draw this diagram, that is called phasor diagram, that is capacitive and the voltage, you can say that it is leading by 90, but here is lagging. So it is not the case, because the expression for voltage and current can be obtained in case of a capacitive circuit. We know that current is leading the voltage by 90 degree. Okay, so there is a notation to remember. ICE means that current is leading the voltage EMF in a capacitive circuit. So I is leading this, and that also leading by 90 degree. So current is lagging by 90 is wrong. It should lead. So therefore this is the right answer. Okay, thank you.